Okay. The tale of a mountain. Even as it is in its life, the mountain cried. The mountain cried. Even as it cried, the dried and cracked, the dried and the dried and the cracked plain below drank the flowing water thirstily, and before the end of the day, the cracks in the soil had healed. The plain became fresh and green. The plain called out to the mountain, "O kind mountain, thank you for saving me from a terrible fate." Meaning of terrible fate means a very bad outcome. It would have become dry, and now the mountain has given lot of water for it. "Your water is so pure, it has healed all my wounds. Look at how much it has changed me." And turning the page, can you see mountain and the water? Water is flowing, river. The mountain was so surprised that it stopped crying. Until then, nobody had even spoken to it from down below. After all, the mountain was so very high, and the plain so far below. In fact, the mountain had forgotten that the plain was there. The mountain looked down and was surprised as it saw the lovely plain. What happened? The lovely plain now is filled with water and green. Can you see? Green plants, green trees, everything. It's fully, okay. It's filled with water and it's very beautiful. And it's very beautiful. And it is very beautiful. It was like a fresh green carpet. What is the name of this Galaxy A30? Name of the child? Name of this girl? Who is this Galaxy A30? I have to mark the attendance. What is your name? Galaxy A30. What is your name? I have to mark your attendance. Ritua?
Yes.
Change it, okay? Ask your mommy to change it to your name, okay? Now listen. And the wise old sky whispered, "Now, mountain, you see that you can find friends anywhere. You just have to notice them. You can find friends anywhere. You have to be friendly with everyone. Then you will get lots of friends. Don't fight or pick quarrels with others. Always maintain good relationship with everyone." Okay. Diya, sit straight. You must sit inside the room. Sit on the chair straight. No disturbance. Okay. Tick the correct answer. The mountain played with the clouds by poking their fluffy middle with its beak. Okay. Next one, number 2. Ilan, sit straight. It rained. Number 2. It rained on the earth below when the clouds laughed till they cried. You can say in your house louder. Okay. The number 3. Mountain was lonely because it had no friends. I will send you all the text details through WhatsApp. You have to read it and you have to write the notes. Okay, I will be checking your notes. I will be checking all your notes. Ishan, sit straight. No moving. No moving. Sit straight. Ishan. Ishan Mohammed, sit straight. No moving. In summer, the mountain felt very sad because it missed the clouds. It missed the clouds.
Clouds.
Clouds. It missed the clouds. Okay. Try say true or false. True means correct. False means wrong. Only the clouds reach the mountain's peak. Only the clouds reach the mountain peak on top. True. That is correct. Okay. True. That's correct. Number 2. The mountain felt lonely during the winter month. Winter month nobody was there. Yes or no? Felt lonely during the winter month. True or false?
Yes.
False. Where did you go, Rayan and Sayan? What happened? Where did you go?
Yes.
Where did you go so
There
long?
was a connection problem. So
Okay, don't talk now.
late time.
Okay, you come in between early itself. Okay, now listen carefully. Okay, good evening. No talking now. No touching. Now listen. The mountain felt sad. Number 3. The mountain felt sad and cried because it felt unwanted. Answer is true. Okay. If nobody is there to play with us and if we are left alone, what will happen? We will feel very sad. That is true. Number 4, fourth one. The mountain felt happy. Karthik, no touching. You can say in your house louder, but don't touch anything. Hold your hands. I muted all. The mountain felt happy when the clouds went away. Was it happy? No. False. He was very sad. No, actually. He was very sad. Here it is given. Cloud was happy. Number 5. The water from the mountain made the plain feel better. Plain became fresh and green. Can you see the picture? Yes.